In our previous class, we have discussed about if cost price and selling price is given, then how to calculate profit percentage or loss percentage. If mark price and selling price is given, then how to calculate discount percentage. In today's class, we are going to discuss if profit percentage is given or loss percentage is given, then how to compare or find out selling price or cost price. If discount percentage is given, then how to calculate mark price or selling price, right? So before we start, let me remind this to you once again. What the concept which we have studied in the previous class, that profit percent we calculate on cost price and loss percent we calculate on cost price, whereas discount percent we calculate on mark price. So if you get to see, there is nothing out of these three we calculate on selling price. Okay, so profit percent calculate on cost price, loss percent calculate on cost price, discount percent calculate on mark price. Okay, so with this, let's get started with the new concept of profit and loss. Okay, so if profit percentage is given, then we make the equation, we make the formula as selling price equal to cost price into 100% plus profit percent. Okay, yeah, this you can compare with our percentage concept, that if decreases by x percent, then 100 minus x percent. If increases by x percent, then 100 plus x percent, right? So if you have gone through that concept, then I'm sure this will be easy to you. So as I said in previous class of profit and loss also, that profit and loss is an application of percentage. Okay, so profit percent means increase. Profit is what? When you sell it higher price, increase, right? That's why the selling price is more than cost price in case of profit. So more by profit percent, P. That's how you can remember this formula. So it is 100% plus P percent, profit percent. Okay, I hope that's clear to you. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100% plus profit percent. Right. Now how to implement this? Remember, this formula we are going to apply when profit percentage is given. And in previous class we have seen this formula we are going to apply when profit percent has to be find out. Okay, this will make your equation easy, calculation faster. It's nothing that you can't use that previous formula in case of profit percent is given, but I always recommend this because this makes it faster. Okay, so let me show you the implementation. Now here we have question 1, which says Mr. Sharma buys a cooler with 4,500 rupees. For how much should he sell to gain 8%? Okay, that's the question. Okay, fine. So now if I look at the formula, this is the formula. Let me copy this for you so that you will understand and you will understand how to replace. So buy a cooler. Okay, apart from purchasing price, there is no other expenditure given. So I can directly consider 4,500 as the cost price of the cooler. And 8%, it is profit percent definitely. So this is profit percent. Let me replace this here. So here I can say selling price equal to cost price, which is 4,500. Now this 4,000, which is cost price, has to be increased by 8% because there is a profit of 8%. So you have 4,500 multiply by 100 plus 8% is what? 108%. Remove the percentage sign, divide by 100. Okay, cancel, 0 0 cancel. Now what you need to do is simply multiply 45 with 108, and that's where you get what? 4,860. That's the answer. Okay, simple application of the formula. Okay, now next question, we have gain percentage 5%. You have the same formula. If I suggest that you pause this video, look at the question, trying to find the answer, and see if it is matching with my answer. Okay, here let me solve this for you. So Mr. Verma sold his scooter for 10,500. Sold the scooter, that means this price is what? Is it cost price or selling price? Correct. This is selling price because you're selling the product. And then he gained what? 5%. So 5% is gain percent. That is your profit percent. Okay. Formula will be same. Formula will be same here. We have selling price is equal to cost price into 100% plus profit percent. So selling price is 10500. Cost price we need to find out 100% plus profit percent. Okay. As I promised, I will take care of the students even if they are starting from scratch, even if they don't know these topics, they are not comfortable with maths. I'm sure by watching these videos you will understand all the basics. And people who are already aware about this, want to understand advanced concepts, hold on, I will take you to there also. So 1050. We have upcoming classes where we are going to learn the advanced concepts too, and you will see all the applications of what I'm teaching in the exam questions also. Okay, I'm not counting the options as of now because it's for you to understand formulas. This is stage you need to build your basics stronger. Okay. So 105 by 100, now if you take it to the other side, denominator will become numerator. That's how 100 is in numerator. Numerator will become denominator. That's why 105 is in denominator. Cancel these values. 105 1 and then how much do you have? Cost price 10,000. One with 4 zeros, 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here. Okay, that's the answer. Question said find the cost price. Find the cost price. All right. Okay, it was scooter. Sorry, I said cooler by mistake. Scooter. Okay. Next question. Same again. Pause the video. Try to answer this question. All right. So selling of pen is 99 rupees. So 99 rupees is what? That is nothing but the selling price, right? Gain percentage 12.5. That is profit percent. Find out cost price. We need to find out cost price. Replace the values in the formula. 99 equal to cost price. We need to find out. Okay, 100% plus profit percent. Yes, profit is calculated on cost price. Okay, so here you have cost price into 112.5 by 100. If you remove the percentage sign, this is 99. Now you can take the values to the other side. You got this to be cost price, right? Okay, let's calculate this. So what you have 99 with 2 zeros divided by 112.5. That's going to get you rupees 88. That is the cost price. Okay. Let me tell you one common mistake which I have seen my students are doing before learning this formula. What do? Is they say, okay, sir, selling price is 99. Okay. This 99 you got after increasing the cost price by 12.5%. So why don't we directly decrease this 99 by 12.5%? What is their confusion? Why don't we directly decrease this 99? We decrease this 99 by 12.5% because we got this 99 by after increasing by 12.5%. That's a profit percent, right? Are you getting what I'm trying to say? This 99 is the selling price. As per the question, this is after applying 12.5% profit. So 99 is nothing but 12.5% more from the cost price to get the selling price. So why don't we decrease the selling price to get the cost price. Now, this is where they go wrong. Why? Because when you try to decrease, understand, when you're trying to decrease, you're applying 12.5% on 99. Right? And what have we learned? We have learned that profit percent we calculate on cost price. Correct? So, this profit percent we can't apply on selling price to decrease. Okay? So, please keep it clear, and if you don't have this confusion, that's great. Okay? Just stick to this. If profit percentage is given, apply selling price equal to cost price into 100% plus profit percent. If loss percentage is given, then we'll see in the next question. Okay, you can again pause the video, try to solve this question and see if you're matching, if your answer is matching with me. It's not necessary that you follow the same steps what I am following. You can maybe say make it simpler, reduce some steps and get the answer faster. A shopkeeper sold some article at 35 rupees per piece and gained 40%. What would be the selling price of each article to earn 60%? Okay. Now I am writing what is given here, what is given in the question. I am writing here in detail so that you can understand. Okay. Sold. So let's here sold an article at 35 price, 35 rupees per piece. What would be the selling price of each article if 60% profit? Here also selling price. Sold, that means this should also be selling price. Selling, again, that should also be selling price. You need to understand 35 rupees is the selling price with 40% profit. You need to find out the selling price with 60% profit. So those both selling prices are different. Okay. So let me call this to be selling price 1. Okay. And let me call this to be selling price 2, which we need to find out. Alright. Let's make the equation now. Now in both the cases, they have not mentioned that there is any change in the cost price. So definitely cost price is same in both cases. Which both cases? Understand, you have situation 1, case 1, which says selling price. Okay, let me again write the formula here so that you will understand what I am applying. Selling price is 35, cost price we need to find out. This is with profit of 40%. So can I directly write 140%? Yeah. Try to reduce steps as much as possible. How did I get 40%? 140%? Profit is 40%. 100 plus 40 is going to get you 140%. Okay. This is equation number 1. Let us not simplify. If you want to simplify, you can do that. I always prefer to do the calculation at last. Okay. Case 2. Here it says find the selling price. That means selling price 2. Okay. Find the selling price is S2. In which case when on the same cost price you apply 60% profit. That means you multiply by 160%. Okay, again 100 plus profit percent. You on each article earn 60% profit. That's in the second case. That will be applicable to get the selling price number 2. Okay, so I hope these two equations are clear. Yes. Okay. Now here I can calculate cost price, replace the cost price here and calculate selling price. But you know there are no step markings in the exam. So what do? I want to reduce the steps to get the answer faster. I will simply eliminate this cost price. And I can see cost price is in multiplication here. Right? So if I divide equation number 1 by 2, then what you get? 35 by selling price 2. Why am I dividing this? Because cost price is in multiplication. If I divide cost price will get cancelled. Okay, so multiply ka ulta division. Multiply is opposite is division. So you have cost price into, I'm writing this step so that you will get clarity, otherwise we can directly see the cost price can be eliminated. Now here cost price is cancel, percentage sign cancel. Now what you have is cross multiply. You got selling price to equal to 35 into 16 by 14. Let us simplify here. You will directly get the answer. So that's beauty of making the calculation at last. Doing the calculation at last. 7 2s are 7 5s are. Then 2 8s are 16. 5 8s are 40. Selling price 2 should be how much? 5 8s are 40 rupees. Okay. Let's see once again what question said. What would be the selling price of each article to earn 60% profit? So they are simply asking to find the selling price. This is we got the selling price. Okay. Any question, any confusion? If you feel that I'm going fast or you want to rewind it again, you can replay this solution. Let me jump to the next question here, next concept here, which is loss percentage given. Now, obviously, if a profit percentage is given, you are adding with 100 because profit means increase, loss means decrease. So, loss percentage you should definitely subtract, right? Okay. Hello, let's see. By selling a fridge for rupees 7,200, Pankaj loses 10%. So Pankaj loss is how much? 10%. Yeah. Find the cost price. All right. So if loss percent is given, what do? We do selling price equal to cost price into 100% minus loss percent. So you can see this part is same. This formula, both the formulas are same. The only difference is if it is profit, then plus profit percent. If it is loss, that means minus loss percent. Okay. Great. Selling price 7,200 equal to cost price, which is we need to find out, right? Yeah, selling fridge, that means this is your selling price. This is what? Loss percent. Substitute. What do you get? 100% minus loss percent, which is 10%. Next time we'll try to avoid writing this step also. We'll directly write 100 minus 10 is 90%. Okay. Save time. Every second is important in the exam. Cross multiply. Numerator will become denominator. Denominator will become numerator. Right? 0 0. Cancel. 9 8s are. Yes. 9 8s are 72. 2 zeros as it is. Right? 2 zeros with 1 0 from here. You got the cost price to be 8,000. Okay. Fine. So you learn how to apply loss percentage formula also. Okay. Now here we have got here. So 10% loss. So what do you do here? Buy a camera at 1,800. So this is pretty simple. This is cost price. Buying is cost price and sell it at 10% loss. So this is your loss percent. Find the selling price. What will you do? Can I remove some steps? Can I directly write this is equal to cost price? Formula you know, formula you remember, right? Yeah, formula you remember, right? This is the formula. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 minus loss. So cost price into 100 minus loss. Loss is 10% here. What is 100 minus 10? 90. Absolutely right. Simplify this. So what do you get? Selling price is equal to multiply. So 18 nines are how much? 18 nines are 162. That's your answer. Selling price is equal to 162. Oh, I forgot to add 10 here. Alright, no problem. So 89 is 162 with 10. That's the answer. Okay. So I have got some homework for you, but before homework, let me also add one more type here. If discount percent is given, then the formula will be selling price equal to mark price into 100% minus discount percent. Yeah. Yes, because discount is calculated on mark price, right? So that's why mark price into 100 minus discount percent. So let's make one question here. I did not add question initially, so let us make one question here. Say by a shopkeeper offers a discount of 20% on shirts. Okay. If he sell the shirt at 200 rupees, let's say 200 rupees, then find the mark price. Okay, so so what is given here? You have discount percentage 20%, selling price given to be how much? 200. We need to find out mark price. Sold. This looks like, yeah, this looks better. If he sold the shirt at 200 rupees, then find the mark price. He sold, so it's past tense now. Okay. So apply the formula. Selling price is equal to mark price into 100% minus discount percent. So selling price is 200. Let me directly replace the values here. This is selling price and this is discount percent. Okay. You have formula in front of you. Replace the values here. Mark price you need to find out. 100% minus discount percent. So 100% minus 20% gives you how much? 80%. So you can write 80% directly. Okay. Now to calculate the mark price, you got 200 into what? 200 into, if I remove the percentage sign, I divide by 100. I take 80 by 100 to the other side. So denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. Okay. 0, 0 cancel. You have 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 2 5s are 10, but 0. So 15 to 5 is how much? 250 rupees. So the shirt's mark price is supposed to be 250 rupees. Then only after applying 20% discount, he'll be able to sell the shirt at 200 rupees. Okay. So the formulas which we learn in today's class, let me write it again for you. Selling price equal to cost price into 100% minus this loss percent. If it is loss, right? And if it is profit, what do we do? If it is profit, then what do we do? Selling price equal to 100% plus profit percent, if it is profit. If it is discount, then discount is applied on mark price. Okay. So remember these formulas. We are going to use these formulas in coming questions, coming classes. That's very important. And you can see I have prepared a good 10 classes only on profit and loss to make your concepts, make you thorough with the concepts of profit and loss. So now, okay, before we go, as rituals, we have homework. These are beautiful questions. Just pause this video, note down the questions, and try to solve this and tell me the answers. Okay, I will cover up all the questions, all the homework questions at the end of this series. Okay, so probably in 8th class or 9th class of profit and loss. Yeah, so this is it in today's video. My name is Shah Manawat. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next class. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.